Bob Lee here. Today I have some videos of things that I've been doing for the last couple of weeks. About 2 weekends ago we traveled up to the Zippo Case Museum, and that's where they have the Zippo lighters and the case knives on display, and that's where I was able to meet April Wilkinson. So my wife and I traveled up there for the weekend and spent some time up there, and spent a little bit of time talking to April. That was a real treat for me. The other thing that is coming up for me is I have a trip planned down to Cincinnati for the WIA Woodworkers Convention. That's going to be on September 16th through the 18th, and so I'm looking forward to that. And the other thing that I've been working on this weekend has been, I got the new Grizzly Bandsaw, and I've been putting it together and getting it adjusted and learning how to use it. One of the tips that I saw on YouTube was from Joe's Basement Workshop, and he has a Delta saw, and I'm working on my Grizzly today, and he said one of the tricks that he uses is to use a level on the wheel to get the tracking of the blade straight. And I came down, and when I started today I just wanted to see if it would work. So I put the level on the wheel like he suggested, adjusted the wheel, and now the tracking is perfect, because all I did was level that top wheel and it holds the blade just perfect. And I didn't have a whole lot of effort to do that except make sure the wheel was level to the saw, and it works like it should. What I have been doing is adjusting these wheels to run the blade true, and to just lightly touch them according to the instructions to the blade. So right now I've got the tracking and I've got the bearings adjusted pretty good. The reason why I'm doing the adjustments without the table on right at the moment is it's easier for me, and I don't have to bend down and look up. So, okay, what I'm doing here is I've got the square up against the blade and up against the table here, and I'm squaring the adjustments up so that the slot runs parallel to the blade. So when I'm measuring here, I'm got the same measurement as I am here. So I've got the table square, and then I took my little square and held it up to the blade. So I've got my blade square to the table, and so everything is lining up rather well. Another thing that I've added to this are these adjustment knobs that can lock it down or steady it to the floor. Because I put a mobile cart on the base of this, and which I can move it around if I need to pull it out to get longer boards through it. And but I can lock it down with those tightening knobs, which takes the any unevenness out of the stand. Well, there it is, all done, put together. I've been playing with it, so, but I've got it all adjusted and all the tolerances in the right places, and so now I just got to get my dust collection hooked up to it, and it'll be completely ready to go. Well, I am getting used to it. I've got to come up with some little bit different push blocks though for this. It's a lot more aggressive machine than my old one. So I'm going to like it though. I can tell it has the power to do what I want. Well, thanks for watching. If you like what you see, please subscribe, put a comment, push the like button. It's all greatly appreciated. So have a good day and have a great weekend.